Hello friends, welcome to our channel English Villa. Today we are going to learn and write 10 lines best essay on lithium. Come, let us start. Lithium is a soft, silvery white metal and an important chemical element. Next point, its chemical symbol is Li and its atomic number is 3. Next point, it is the lightest metal found in nature. In this line, the key word is lightest metal. Next point, lithium is found in rocks, minerals and saltwater lakes. Next point, it is widely used to make rechargeable batteries for phones, laptops and electric vehicles. It is widely used to make rechargeable batteries for phones, laptops and electric vehicles. Next point, doctors also use lithium in certain medicines to help treat some mental health conditions. Treat some mental health conditions. Next point, lithium reacts quickly with air and water. Lithium reacts quickly with air and water, so it must be stored safely. Next point, it belongs to a family of elements called the alkali metals. It belongs to a family of elements called the alkali metals. Next point, lithium plays an important role in modern science and technology. Lithium plays an important role in modern science and technology. Next point and the last point, it helps power many of the electronic devices we use every day. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for getting notification. Thank you for watching.